So, the topic I chose is body dehydration. Of course, FIX 100, Professor Marley Notes. Name Gabriel Espino. I chose this topic since I have experienced this when running. Actually, after running. The following information was obtained through Google research by looking for information that explained this within health, for the health field. Definition according to Google: dehydration occurs when you use or lose more fluid than you take in. If you don't replace lost fluids, you will get dehydrated, or what is known as body dehydration, according to Google.com. These are the symptoms: feeling tired, dizziness, thirsty, dry mouth, extreme loss of energy, may feel like passing out, fatigue, body temperature increased, rapid heartbeat, rapid breathing, sunken eyes. Here is an athlete on the ground. It seems as if his body has given out. This might be an indication that his body needed to cool off and hydrate, drink water. Underneath we have a runner. Here's a runner. She has stopped to take a break. She may have experienced the symptoms of feeling dizzy. So as we can see, she stopped. She's taking a break. Here is a photo of what seems to be a lady on the phone. It may be that body dehydration can be linked to heat exhaustion. Let's say that the man on the floor has worked for hours without any water. She seems to be checking if he is breathing. What dehydration can cause: the complications: heat injury, urinary and kidney problems, seizures, low blood volume shock. So these are the 4 complications to dehydration. I suppose that office workers can go through this if the environment is not air conditioned or if supply water is not available. However, exercising or being outdoors is when the human body can be more prone to this. For example, when running, walking, playing a sport. Some ways to avoid this: take a cooler with ice in it, drink plenty of water, 8 ounces to be specific, drink the right amount of liquids before, after, and during the activity. Try to stay cool from direct sun radiation. Know the signs of dehydration. Be aware of the environment temperature, and to be cautious. Research that is relatable to this: heat exhaustion, radiative heat, exercising during high temperatures. Again, I put that it could be relatable. I didn't research with specifics, but it could have something to do with this topic. More important information: the skin, muscles, kidneys, brain, and cardiovascular system may all suffer from the effects of dehydration. What are known as electrolytes are affected during dehydration. Electrolytes are minerals that carry an electric charge. Or I think they're energy molecules, atoms. Electrolytes are also molecules that release ions in water. Anything that alters the concentrations of electrolytes will also alter the concentration of water and vice versa. The benefits of drinking plenty of water: helps the kidneys function, it releases toxins within the system, promotes cardiovascular health, breathing. Water helps with skin health. It also keeps your body cool, regulates the body temperature, which is essential during the summer. There are many scientific studies that lead to the facts of body dehydration. Information. Since water consumption is a main factor, it creates the factors of hydration and dehydration. Much information is provided via web, and other articles have been published that show annotated scientific diagrams. The study can help me by knowing the terminology associated with this wellness topic. Other benefits from this is that I am able to hold on to this information for future reference. This concludes the slideshow on the wellness topic, body dehydration.